Every day I hear Mama do this and Dena do that. The dog is in the toilet and my butt is so fat. Oh no.
Hey, wet my butt.
Where are my keys?
See you on that.
This is my life.
Not back in 5 minutes.
I've been running around so crazy from dawn to dusk, but this is my life.
I got boogers.
This is my life.
Oh, I missed the bus. Can you drive me?
I'm not famous. So apparently talent doesn't matter anymore. So I thought, well, if that's what we're going to do, then I'm just going to do what everybody that doesn't have talent does to become famous. I'm making a sex tape. So whatever. It's going to be great. Babe, are you ready? We're making the sex tape.
Hockey time.
Seriously?
Is that what you're gonna wear?
Is that what you're in a wing nut hat? Are you kidding me? You're an idiot.
Let's go Red Wings.
So, we're gonna try some role playing?
Here I come. Look at this first one. How sexy am I?
Is that Dean's Halloween costume?
Yes, it is, but it has the matching glasses and wand. Let's go Hogwarts.
You got anything else?
I've got sexy school teacher.
Alright.
Ready? Oh, yeah.
What the hell is that?
This is my school teacher outfit. This is what the teachers look like at my school. I went to Catholic school. All right, so we're going to do that one more time, dressing up. But this time you're going to dress up, and you are going to be the cable guy.
The cable guy?
Yeah, you're going to come in. I'm going to have sex with you, and then you're going to give me free show time because I'm only on season 2 of Dexter. What was that?
Nothing.
Are you playing poker?
No!
Were you playing poker?
No! Angry Birds. Who's a dirty girl?
I'm a dirty girl.
Who needs a bath?
Are you talking to the dog? Give me this dog. We're supposed to be making our sex tape. Wait a second. Am I ovulating? 15, 16. All right, no, we're good. We're good. What do you do? Babe, this has got to last longer than 30 seconds. It is not your birthday.
Look, I'm all for this. This is gonna be great, but do we really need the cameraman?
What are you talking about? He's not even obtrusive. You barely even notice he's here.
I think he's wearing my towel.
It's fine, honey. Don't make a big deal. Here we go.
It's you and I.
So awesome.
All
right. So what?
Pizza's here.
No, forget. Come on, pizza. You had your pizza.
It was delicious.
Let's do
Finally
this.
do this.
Okay, great. All right, whatever. Wait a second. How long does the battery last on this camera?